In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. My dear students, we have very important relation is we are going to discuss. We have to prove this relation. 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree. First of all, what is radian? Look at the diagram. It is the angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle whose length is equal to radius of the circle. So its length is equal to radius of the circle. That angle is equal to 1 radian. And let's suppose the body is moving in a circle, and we know that this relation, S is equal to r theta, and we have already proved this relation, S is equal to r theta, and theta is equal to S over r. Let's suppose the body moves from A and it completes 1 revolution, and in one revolution the distance covered is equal to circumference of the circle. So that is S is equal to 2 pi r. So that is the circumference of the circle. Look at again, students. Let's suppose the body is moving from point A and it completes one revolution, and in one revolution the distance covered is equal to circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Putting this value in the above equation, we get 2 pi r divided by r. So r is cancelled, theta is equal to 2 pi radian. So the important thing is, when we will use this relation, theta is S is equal to r theta. Theta is always measured in radian. So that's very important point. Theta is equal to 2 pi radian. Now in one revolution, the angle sweep a body starts from, that is 0. Here is angle 90 degree. Then we have 180 degree. Then 270, and the last 360 degree. So in one revolution, the angle sweep is equal to 360 degree. So that is theta is equal to 360 degree. So it is the first equation and it is the second one. So equating 1 and 2, we get equations 1 and 2, we get 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. 2 is cancelled and comes to be 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi, and 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. The value of the pi is 3.14, and we simplify, we get the relation 57.3 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree, and it shows that radian is greater than degree. So that's a very important relation we have already discussed. 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree, or radian is greater than degree. Thank you for watching.